Autumn is in the air, and pumpkin spice lattes are everywhere. It's time to get our autumn starter kit going with 3 pumpkin spice products you need to try, plus a little surprise at the end. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. First up is the Simply Organic Pumpkin Spice. If there's likely to be any pumpkin-flavored desserts, drinks, or savory dishes in your future, you'll want to try this mix. Made in the USA and certified organic. Next up is something for the big people. It's the Puree Pure-Made Pumpkin Spice Syrup. Save yourself a trip to Starbucks. No need to leave the house or that pair of warm slippers to enjoy the warm taste of fall. Last but certainly not least, it's a big old jar of Green J Gourmet Pumpkin Butter. It's time to jazz up that slice of toast or muffin with a generous dollop of pumpkin goodness. Those are the players. Now let's take a look at each one in action. Spoiler alert, Simply Organic Pumpkin Spice actually contains no traces of pumpkin. It's a combination of organic spices, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and cloves. It's this magical quartet of flavors that turns a regular old vegetable, usually destined for soup or the oven roasting pan, into a vibrant sweet treat, like these chewy pumpkin cookies Matt is cooking up. We absolutely love this spice mix's versatility. It's perfect for making a variety of pumpkin-flavored desserts like Matt's cookies here, drinks, or savory dishes. And take it from us, sprinkle this spice mix on your sweet potato fries to take them to the next level. We give it a 9 out of 10. Can we just start out by saying this is a totally guilty pleasure? This liquid gold features a nice balance of warm spice and rich pumpkin flavor. It's the perfect syrup for flavoring seasonal lattes, cold brew, and frozen blended drinks. Add it to your morning coffee, use it as a substitute for chocolate flavoring in a milkshake, or drizzle it over some vanilla ice cream. Take your pick. For a bit of a twist on a favorite enjoyed by the Hogwarts alumni, add 2 tablespoons to a tall glass of amber ale to make your very own pumpkin brew. For someone on a diet, you might want to try their sugar-free line of syrups, sweetened with Splenda and naturally fat-free. If you're watching your waistline, this might not be your cup of pumpkin. We're giving it an 8 out of 10. This jar is made from pure, mostly unadulterated pumpkin. The premium juicy pumpkins are cooked down and given a hit of their secret spice selection, culminating in a spread so tasty it will have you throwing that regular butter in the trash. Green J calls it the fruit butter revolution, but we just think it's neat. Real food, no additives, no sickly sweet corn syrup. It's a peanut butter replacement done the right way. And Matt's pumpkin cream cheese bread is truly out of this world. We love the pumpkin butter paired with it. You need to temper your expectations with this product. It doesn't have the consistency of peanut butter, or butter for that matter. It's closer to a thick puree, and while absolutely delicious, you really have to experiment with what to pair it with. Matt's pumpkin cream cheese bread was a winner for us. We give it a 9 out of 10. If you're going for a pumpkin everything theme for this year's Thanksgiving, there's one accessory that completes the look. Coming in a pack of 4, each set contains a pumpkin spice print dish towel, as well as 3 orange yarn dye towels. We probably would have preferred that all 4 towels had the pumpkin spice and everything nice print, but the remaining 3 can still be used all year round without seeming out of place. We give them a 7 out of 10. But what do I know? Matt's the one cooking and tasting everything. Matt, the pumpkin cream cheese bread and those pumpkin cookies looked amazing. Are you going to give up the recipe to the folks watching?
You bet, Gary. We're going to put the recipes down in the description. Also, I've saved you a piece of that bread. It's amazing.
Thanks, Matt. Save some of those cookies and pumpkin bread for me. So, how do you get your hands on one or all of these pumpkin products? You can either follow our purchase links that we've included in the description below and up in the top right and buy them for yourself, or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win all of them for free. That's right, one lucky subscriber will take home all 4 of these pumpkin-themed products. And the rules couldn't be simpler. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment in this video with the hashtag we hid somewhere in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. Winners will always be announced right here on the channel at the conclusion of every month in our Winners Compilation video. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.